Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to make this. This is Denise DeLauder. I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card for any occasion, I suppose. And the sentiment says, "Hello there, let's catch up." Cute card with a carafe and a coffee mug. Okay, first we're going to take the normal 5.5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock, and I have scored it at halfway, so at 4 1/4, and then at 2 inches, and I guess 1/8. When you go to fold this, we're going to fold it so that it's equidistant. It's folded right in the center of that front flap. So I have this really cool, fun paper cardstock, and you can use any cardstock that you want, but I like to coordinate. So there's 2 different types of cardstock that we're using with a similar theme. So this one's got the cups on it, and then this one's got cakes and mugs and grinders and all kinds of fun stuff on it. So this is a regular 4 by 5 1/4, and then I've cut it in half at 2 inches. And that's our base card. So that's really nice, super simple fold, but I thought it was fun, something a little different. Okay, now we're going to cut some rectangles. So I just ran these 2 through, and I have the inside, and then this is the outside. So I'm going to take a minute to push out the holes. Basically, I'm using a poker tool and popping those holes out, and then I'll do the same on this one. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to take this piece of shiny paper, and as you can see on this card, the carafe is cut from this, and then the outside of the mug is cut from this. So I'm going to put these 2 pieces and run this through the embossing machine. As you can see, this worked really well. So my carafe came out nicely, and then the outside matting for my mug came out nicely. I'm using this stamp set from Stampin' Up! Called Latte Love, and so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut out a mug. Well, first I got to stamp it. That would be nice. So I'm going to use this My Sweet Petunia, and I am going to lay this card down, and I need to leave room for my coffee in the carafe. So I'm just going to make sure I have enough room on this piece of cardstock. I'm using Basic Black or Memento Black, and I'm inking up the stamp. And it turned out pretty good, so I don't need to mess with that. I'm going to put my die for my mug on top of the actual mug, and I'm going to use a piece of tape to hold this down. Came out nicely. So here's my carafe and my mug. we're going to color these in. So I'm using pecan pie and a aqua pen. So this is water in a pen. This is from Mr. Pen. I believe I got this from scrapbook.com. And I'm going to pick up some color from this pecan, and I'm going to color in while that dries. I am going to put my sentiment on my piece of white cardstock. Let me adhere this to my hello there, and then there's our completed card. Nice, right? Thank you.